Spill coffee in your car again. Or maybe it's muddy footprints from the kids after soccer practice. Let's be real, those standard floor mats that came with your car just aren't cutting it. They slide around. They don't cover the whole floor. And cleaning them is a total nightmare. The fabric soaks up every little spill and holds onto dirt like its life depends on it. But what if I told you there's a much better way to protect your car's interior? Imagine a floor mat that fits your car perfectly, edge to edge. One that's completely waterproof, super durable, and incredibly easy to clean. No more scrubbing stains out of carpets. You just take them out, rinse them off, and they're good as new. It's time to upgrade from those flimsy factory mats to something that actually does its job. Your car will thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car tips.